Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Michelle, and here we do DIY hairstyles. Save you a coin, sis. But first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell that is right next to it so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Okay, as you can see from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing these butt length straight back feed-in cornrows. Super easy, super cute. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and stretched hair, and I'm going to be using the Avvis Long Black Braids #1 and the Avvis Long Blonde Braids as well. So I have two mirrors, one in the front, one in the back. Brushing my hair out, and now I'm gonna make a part in the middle because I'm gonna start from the middle. It was so much easier for me to do it that way than to start from the sides. And here's our straight part. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm tying the other half away so that it doesn't disturb me while I work with the other half. Now I am making another part, well, so that I can have a braid down the middle since I am starting from the middle. Yeah. And I took some edge control, that Isoplus Edge Gel that I always use, just so that I don't have any flyaways while I braid. So to start my braid, I start by braiding my own hair, and I braid a few times going backwards, and then I feed in the braiding hair. I start by feeding in a really small piece. Well, not really small piece, but a small piece. So I take the braiding hair and I hold it like this, and I put it underneath my pointer finger and my thumb, and I begin to braid. And as I continue to braid, I add in more braiding hair, and like I said, the pieces gradually get bigger. The pieces of braiding hair gradually get bigger. As you can see, that piece right there is bigger than the first piece I added in. So yeah, stay tuned for the other method I use, the other feed-in method that I use as well. So I added in about 4 to 6 pieces of the black braiding hair, and at the ends I'm adding in the blonde, and I added also 6 pieces of the blonde braids because I really wanted them long, sis, long. And I add in the blonde braiding hair from the back. As you can see from the video, I added it from the back, not in the front, the back. So just keep that in mind because it helps it look seamless. It makes the whole braid look so seamless. And I'm biting it right now because yes, it's really long. It's really long. First braid done, 89 more to go. So I want to show you guys another way of how you can feed in the braiding hair. So you take the braiding hair and take half of it, lock it under your pinky, and take the other half and put it underneath your index finger or pointer finger, right? Then you begin to braid. And once you begin to braid, you let go of the braiding hair that was locked under your pinky, and you continue to braid about 2 to 4 times. I braided about 4 times, and then after you've braided like 2 to 4 times, you take that other half that you left and you bring it underneath your index finger or pointer finger. Then you continue braiding, and that's another way you can feed in. So however many times you feed in the hair, you can use that method. I hope that made sense, guys. So let me know, guys, in the comment section down below if you would like a really detailed tutorial of how you can do feed-in braids. Okay? Okay. The rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, okay? And hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, guys? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. And stay blessed. So this is the end result. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Engage with me, guys. I love talking to you all. I love talking to you all. And if you're still not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell that is right next to it, and like this video to increase my chances of other people finding this video. Don't forget to share with people you know, your friends, yeah, cousins, aunties, uncles. Okay, bye. Peace. Bye. Oh, and stay blessed. Until next time. Bye.